Arbour. Get very excited whenever we would bring out the paintbrush and the easel. Some people think you put paint on her feet and she walks on paper. But she really paints with the brush in her mouth. One day I came home and there was a painting in the middle of the living room. And I didn't believe her, but Arbour took the brush and went over and painted on the canvas. Arbour uses an acrylic paint, it's non-toxic, and we simply put the brush in her mouth, and she's happy to paint. One of her paintings looked like a dancing girl. There's another that looks like the iris flower, but they're all special and unique. Most of her paintings are abstract. In a past life, maybe she was an artist. Out of all the tricks we taught her, that's the one that she seemed to really thrive at and love the most. We'd always got our dogs from the animal shelter. We went to the local shelter and for some reason just kind of drawn to her. She seemed like a very happy dog. At home, she always likes to be the leader. I have 2 other dogs and she's the one in charge, making sure there's no strangers coming by. She's definitely an alpha dog. With her, that security and safety qualities in her. The more active she is, the happier she is.
Touch.
She has some great tricks.
Arbour, touch. Good girl.
She makes a margarita. She can play ping pong, ride a skateboard. She can hit the baseballs. She's definitely an athlete. And she knows that she's smart. Something just connected us to Arbour. She inspired us to start a nonprofit where we could educate people what was really happening at the shelter. Now they're saving about 87% of the animals. And that's all because of Arbour.